I'm tired of these old sodas. I just wish there was something better.
Well, now there is, Tom. Have you tried Belch?
Belch? You want a punch in the throat?
No, Tom. Belch brand soda.
Oh, no, I haven't.
It's so potent it blows the name right off the can.
I've never heard of it before.
It's condensed Belch gas in a can.
Is it good?
Good? Try it and see.
You know, I think I will. Ah, looks good.
Try some.
Oh, wow. Try some of this, huh? Good.
Thanks, Tom.
Hey, where can I get some of that, huh?
At many participating stores, including the ones right on the screen here.
Belch Soda's available at Harry's, Joe's, Eddie's, and Bubba's of Seabrook. So you better buy some now.
Hey, try to beat this one, buddy.
Whoa!
Here you go. You can't do it.
Oh, bet you I can.
Belch Soda. You know you want it. Now buy it.
Oh, man.
Oh, I wish I had a life. Oh, God.